I'm very well, thank you.
Can you introduce yourselves, please?
My name is Mason Noise, so I need you to make some noise. Thank you.
Mason, how did you think your first audition went?
That's Rita.
Oh, I had a little dance.
You had a little dance?
I did,
You were feeling it. Mason, what are you going to perform for us now? Because as you can see, there's 6 full chairs there. So how have you come prepared for this?
You'll see.
Okay. Good luck, Mason.
Oh, yeah. Oh, sugar girl, you sexy thing. I like the way you swing. Always wanna be your lover. Always wanna be your lover. You can call me if you need a fix or two. Girl, you know how we do. I gotta get with you. All I wanna do is drive you crazy, baby. You can flow, baby. Hold on. See it tonight. Sorry, no. Nick, check this out. Everybody stand up. Everybody stand up. I'm bringing sexy back. Them other boys don't know how to act. I think it's special what's behind your back. So turn around and I'll just grab you. Wait. Now stop. Bring the beat back. Hey. Turn the lights off.
To get up on their feet.
Yo, hold up.
Uh-oh.
I got something to say. You know what? I invite you all to film this. I'll put up your phones. They ain't gonna throw 5,000 people out. Now listen.
Mason, just 1 second. What gives you the right to say that?
Listen.
No, you're talking to me, not them.
Okay, I'll go for it straight. With the first audition I watched on Saturday, people had 10-minute slots, and I went to 47 seconds.
Mason, you know what? You are 5 seconds away from getting thrown off this stage. Yeah, and I mean it. Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna do to be an artist. I'm being an artist.
If you've got a problem, then just go.
I ain't got a problem.
Don't criticize these guys.
Listen,
Mason.
You shouldn't be doing.
You've gone horribly wrong.
I'm doing this for you. I'm doing this for entertainment. I'm doing this for artists.
No, you are being.
This is real.
Don't tell me how long you should have on this show.
I'm bringing art.
Why don't you shut up?
This is about entertainment.
Mason, why don't you shut
I'm bringing
up?
entertainment back, bro. This is like, I'm bringing entertainment back to the
shut it.
No.
Well, then go. Why don't you, first of all, apologise to these guys over there who spent hours editing your tape. Don't come on and insult my show and insult these producers.
I ain't apologising.
You're not going to apologise?
No, why should I?
Well, then go.
Wow.
I mean, seriously?
That's called Kanye West effect.
Yeah, but you're not Kanye West yet. I'm sure you do.
All I was saying was, they cut my first performance to 47 seconds. And my first performance was one of the best performances.
I'm actually disappointed for him because I think he's talented.
He would have had a chair.